Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a side hustle online. First, let's pinpoint your unique strengths and interests. Think about what you genuinely enjoy and what problems you can solve for others. Researching market demand is crucial. Look for areas with high interest and manageable competition. Selecting a niche that truly resonates with you will make the journey much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. This foundational step sets the stage for your success. Once your niche is clear, it's time to pick the right stage for your side hustle. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are excellent for service-based work, while Etsy suits creative products. For more control, consider building your own simple website. Clearly define what you offer, whether it's graphic design, writing, or virtual assistance. Set competitive yet fair prices, perhaps starting with an introductory offer to attract your first few clients. Now, let's get the word out. A compelling online presence is key, featuring high-quality images and concise descriptions of your services. Leverage social media platforms where your target audience spends time, sharing valuable content related to your niche. Consider offering a free consultation or a small introductory service to attract initial clients. Networking within your industry can also open doors to referrals and exciting collaborations, expanding your reach significantly. To truly grow your online side hustle, focus on continuous improvement. Actively solicit feedback from your clients to refine your services and ensure customer satisfaction. As your business expands, look for opportunities to automate routine tasks, saving you valuable time. Consider diversifying your offerings or exploring related income streams. For example, a writer might also offer editing or content strategy. Aim for consistent effort, perhaps dedicating 5 to 10 hours weekly to see steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.